This Jump demonstration shows how to customize Jump by changing your preferences. Jump's customization options are extensive and include general functionality, setting font, color, and other style preferences, and specifying the default behaviors of graphing and analysis platforms. On macOS, open the preferences by going to Jump, Preferences. On Windows, go to File, Preferences. On the left is a list of preference categories, and you can use this list or the search bar above to find the preference that you'd like to change. Let's look at a few examples. To customize default graph styles, select the Graphs preferences, and a range of specific options are displayed in the main window. For example, you might change the default marker size to something larger. Or you might change the default continuous color scheme from blue to red to magma. To customize fonts, go to the Fonts group. You can change fonts individually. For example, the data table font controls the font of the data table grid, or you can change the global font family. To customize the styling of reports, use the Styles preferences. For example, you can change the background color of report windows to something other than the default light gray. Graphing and analysis platforms each have their own preferences as well. Select the Platforms group, and then select the platform that you'd like to set preferences for. For example, in the Distribution Platform preferences, you can deactivate the default vertical option so that histograms are displayed horizontally. In the Distribution Summary Statistics subgroup, you can set which summary statistics are shown by default. When you're done, click Apply to apply the preferences while leaving the Preferences window open, or click OK to apply the preferences and close the window. Note that you also can save platform preferences from within a platform itself. First, select the various red triangle options that you'd like enabled or disabled by default when you use the platform. Then go to the red triangle and select Platform Preferences, Save Changes to save these as default preferences for all future use of that platform.